In a land where flowers bloomed in vibrant colors, lived a tiny creature called the Fairyfly. The Fairyfly was a beautiful and enchanting being, but it had a peculiar habit. It fed on the nectar of flowers, but it also enjoyed feeding on the life essence of other flowers. One day, a young sunflower named Solara noticed that her vibrant yellow petals were wilting. She felt a strange weakness, and her radiant glow was fading. Puzzled, she asked the other flowers about her condition, but they all seemed healthy. Solara examined herself and found a tiny fairyfly clinging to her, sucking her life essence. Realizing the cause of her weakness, Solara was deeply saddened. She wondered if there was a way to free herself from the fairyfly's parasitism. She sought advice from the wise old oak, who lived in the heart of the flower garden. The old oak, with his centuries of wisdom, told Solara about the balance in the garden and the importance of coexistence. He explained, to maintain the harmony and beauty of the garden, each creature has its role. The fairyfly feeds on nectar, but it has crossed the line by feeding on the life essence of other flowers. You, Solara, should not let your kindness toward the fairyfly make you a victim. Solara thanked the old oak for his wisdom and decided to teach the fairyfly a lesson. She invited the fairyfly to feed on her nectar, but the fairyfly, greedy by nature, refused. Solara, pretending to be weak, beckoned the fairyfly closer and closed her petals around it, trapping it. The fairyfly struggled, but Solara calmly explained, "I thought you would enjoy my nectar. But as you can see, I have no nectar left for you. I've learned from the old oak that it's important to protect oneself from those who take more than they give. I hope you'll think about this, Fairyfly, and learn to live within the boundaries of harmony." The Fairyfly realized its mistake and, with a pang of regret, vowed never to harm another flower again. Solara released it, and the Fairyfly flew away, promising to feed on nectar alone. From then on, the garden thrived, and Solara's radiant glow returned. The Fairyfly learned the importance of respect and balance, and the garden was restored to its original harmony. And so, the tale of Solara and the Fairyfly serves as a reminder: be kind, but protect yourself, for harmony lies in balance.